Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again today. Today's video is going to be a dollar store haul. I went to 2 different dollar stores today while trying to kill some time, and I bought some things and I thought I'd show you what I bought. So let's just get into it, I guess. Before we go much further though, why don't you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, maybe even the notification bell in case you want to be notified when I upload videos. Right now my schedule is Wednesdays and Sundays, but that could change, so it's up to you. Thanks, and let's get started. The first thing I picked up were these suit hangers. So I needed some pant hangers to take some photos of products, and these were pretty much the only thing they had for pant hangers at Dollar Tree. So I picked up 2 of them just because I do need them for things, and I figured it could come in handy to have a couple extras. Yeah, they're nothing special. I did make sure the little clippy things work because I've bought pant hangers from the dollar store before and they have sucked. This item was pretty cool, and I saw it and basically immediately put it in my cart. Actually, I didn't have a cart when I was in Dollarama. I just had that awkward armload of things when you think you're not going to buy a lot, but then you end up getting a lot of crap. Okay, we all know what that is. So it's a desk organizer. My desk is kind of chaos all the time, and I thought it was time to get a little like organized with it. I haven't even opened it yet, so yeah, it's all sealed, so I'll let you know how it goes. But it looks really cool, and I kind of enjoy that there's a little cup holder, so I can actually put my cup on it and it has a spot. Mostly because I will end up putting my cup on like where my mouse goes, and then I run into it all the time and end up spilling stuff. So I think these were my favorite purchase out of all, and when you see, you are probably going to laugh. It's these packages of paper bags. So I do vendor sales or craft shows. I hate calling them craft shows, but I do vendor sales a lot, and I have never seen in the dollar store these larger paper bags, and I actually do need them for when it comes up to Christmas season and I'm doing a couple shows, hopefully. So these were $4 for 6 bags, which is a pretty good price actually. Usually they are $1 to $1.25 a bag when you buy them like this size, and I am not interested in paying that much. So this was a really good find, and it got me very excited. Of course, you can't go to the dollar store without buying some treats and snacks, so I picked up a little bag of Doritos. This is not like the regular size of Doritos, like the larger bag. It's kind of in between like the baby bag and the big one. So I'm going to the beach on Friday. Hopefully they will make it till Friday when I get to the beach. If not, I'll have to buy more, but I needed snacks. Also, beach-related purchase was some Rice Krispies squares. These were $2 for 6. I don't think that's a really good price, but I didn't want to go to another store. So these are coming to the beach with me, along with some other snacks that I have, and the Doritos, because I like things that are kind of prepackaged when I go to the beach. I know that means I create a lot of waste, but it's just so much easier in terms of packing things and putting things in the cooler. Also picked up some disinfecting wipes. These are actually specifically to clean my makeup area, like my makeup vanity, and my desk area. For some reason it just collects a lot of like dust and like weird residue, probably from like running my hand over it all the time when I'm using my mouse. So I just thought it would be good to have these around. They're one of the ones that I actually like the smell of because it's lemon, and not much else to tell you about them. It's just like a smaller package, like there's only 30 wipes in here. I also picked up some treats for my dog. She loves these rawhide dog chews. I know that everybody says these are actually bad for your dog. My dog gets along with them just fine. As well, there is only one ingredient here, and it's just the rawhide, so there's no other flavorings or preservatives or anything like that. It's just the rawhide. So these are good, and they keep her from chewing at other things like her toys. So if she doesn't have these for a while, she will start ripping apart all of her squeaky toys, and so that's when you kind of know it's time to get more. The final thing I picked up was, again, beach related purchase. It's this tote bag. So it's black and white, and it's a woven plastic material. It has this little bobble closure thingy and some short handles. So this is sort of like I'm envisioning taking Instagram photos at the beach. This will match my swimsuit and look really cute, as well as carry all my stuff, because I do not have a bag that is beach appropriate, and this is waterproof because it's plastic. So I just thought that this was a great idea to grab. It was $4, and it beats me having to buy like a basket bag to look real cute with, which I don't even really like the basket bags. So yeah, that's it. And I don't know, it will look really cute with my swimsuit. That was my first thought, and while I don't like that line of thinking, I'm still gonna use it, and I'll use it for other things too. That's what I needed it for right now. Alright, thank you very much for joining me. That is everything from today's haul from the dollar store. I appreciate you sticking around to the very, very end. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below, and I will try and answer them back within the first 24 hours. Beyond that, no guarantees. There is a lot of comments these days. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!